So did you understand? Tell me, what is classical computer, what is quantum computer?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, anybody?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Shall I start from quantum computers? Yeah.
Structure
Tell
of
me.
atom. The structure of an
Yeah,
atom.
okay. Yeah, structure of an atom I will explain. From there, I with quantum computers. Again, I will repeat in within 5 minutes. All the things whatever I said. Okay. Once again, I am repeating this. Please listen to me. In classical computers, if you take one chip, data storage chip, hard disk, whatever say, that is having this much of size, but this is one of the device is having so many regions, and we can also see that DVD drives. This is a DVD drive now. Check it once your DVD drives. It is having so many lines around it. So many tracks are there. So these tracks are regions to store the data. In these tracks, zeros and ones will be stored. In the case of where classical computers, if you go for quantum computers, so in the case of classical computer, this total area is having some thousands of atoms within one circle. In this one circle, number of atoms will be more. How many number of atoms are there? Here almost all, some millions of atoms are there. So in this only one line, in this one circle, we will have some millions of atoms. These millions of atoms are storing almost I mean 1 MB data. DVD is only one circle is storing how much data? 1 MB data. But in the case of quantum computers, what is happening here? How many atoms I said here in the classical computer hard disk or DVD disk? Here how many atoms are I said? Some millions of atoms are there.
Millions of
Okay.
atoms.
The millions of atoms are storing only 1 MB data. But if you go for quantum computers, what is happening? All this data, 1 MB data, can be stored within 10 atoms. So with minimum 10 atoms, approximately I am telling, not exact figure it is, but try to understand. I want to explain the difference between classical computer and quantum computer. So here only 10 atoms we are used to store the data of what? 1 MB. So that is the difference. So for that purpose, how it is storing, how it is 10 MB, 1 MB data within 10 atoms. That I am explaining. So by 10 atoms, we are storing 1 MB data. How it is going to be happen? I am going to explain. Try to understand. First, let us take one atom. Atom is having a nucleus, that is in the nucleus neutron and protons are there. So, and around the nucleus, electrons are revolving. Around the nucleus, electrons are revolving like this. It's one electron. Okay. And around the nucleus, other electron is also revolving. This is second electron. I can say it is first electron, it is second electron. So it is minimum, I can tell you, minimum 4 to 8 electrons will be present inside the atom. Okay, minimum 4 to 8 electrons are present, outermost orbit electrons. They will be useful for storing the data. Okay. So, if you go for, now what is happening? Can you tell me how the earth, how the earth is rotating around the sun. The sun is the earth is rotating around the sun by spinning itself. For one spin, it is taking 24 hours of time. Imagine this, whatever is I am explaining, you should imagine, picturization should be happen within your mind. Without happening of any picturization in your mind, you can't understand the physics. That is the speciality of this. Okay? So imagine that how the earth is rotating. For one spin of earth, 24 hours it takes. So like this, how the earth is spinning itself, the same electron is also spinning like this. So if I take one ball, imagine one ball. Ball is a ball. Ball is like a electron. Means electron is like a ball. Now this electron, if it is rotating like spinning like this in one direction, then it's said to be one. Okay, it gives you one meter. Okay, if it is rotating like if the electron, same electron is rotating in opposite direction, it's spinning like this, gives you zero.
Zero.
So like within the suppose if it is spinning like this, it gives you what? Zero. It stores a zero bit. If it is rotating like this, okay, spinning like this, if it is spinning like this, what happens? It gives you zero. Like this, within the uh, atom, zeros and one be present here. So if it is spinning like this, one is happening. If it is spinning like this, it is zero, it is representing. So don't get confused here. See that. Okay. Here if the electron is spinning like, then it gives you one bit data like this. It stores the data as a 1. And if electron is spinning like this, it gives you 0. This electron spin I'm going to show you by sharing my computer. Please. Okay. Video. No, video only video. We don't have to play it. Okay. Wait, ma, I'm going to use this other video. Easy. Wait, I'm searching that video. I'm showing. I want to show it. Just 1 minute. Yeah, you can see this diagram, this picture. I'm going to share it now. Yeah. I think you will get within fraction of second. See, electrons there. Here, electrons are there. These are the electrons which are present in the as a ball. They are spinning like this. Okay, itself how the earth is here also spinning like this. Here I can write 1. If it is spinning like this, I can write it as a 1. If it is spinning like this, 0 I can write. So upward is 1, downward is 0. So like this we can store the data. So See that the spinning of electron is happening. You can see, okay, that spinning of electron itself. This is spinning of electron. By this we can store zeros and ones, the atom. Okay, see that. It is upward spinning. It is downward spinning. So it is downward spinning. Okay. So this is about the spinning of electrons, and the later we'll go to same topic. Yeah, is it clear for everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, is it clear? Yeah, please. I'm unable to get your voice. Yes, ma'am. Yes, please. వినపడుతుందా సార్? ఎవరైనా మాట్లాడుతున్నారా? Anybody? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
If you
Yes, sir.
know,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
take the class. Copy here. Okay. Let wait. Don't go. I'm going to take attendance here. So I will download attendance. Don't log out. If you are getting log out, I can't take attendance. Wait.
Sir.